Apart from the range, then you've got 4 pedals, and I always tell people, these Stewart subs have 4 pedals, and they go, wow, what does a 4th pedal do? Basically, the left pedal just brings the hammers closer to the strings, so you get less of a attack. The next one up is traditional soft pedal of a grand piano. It brings the hammers, shifts them to the right, so they hit only 2 strings instead of 3. And then you've got the sostenuto and then the normal sustain pedal. But you can actually play both at once. You can press both of the left at once, and you can get extremely soft. And then, so for 2 pedals you have 3 functions. You can use them individually or both at the same time.